Hey everyone, what is going on? Today I want to share you something that's shockingly good in making product photography. All right, so I want to stop, drop, and product photography in just a single step. Just navigate here. We're going to upload our product. All right, it can be almost anything, but what I'm going to use is actually a cosmetic product that I have laying around here somewhere. Okay, we can either have background or without. It doesn't really matter because it's gonna remove the background anyway. So this is my product. Now we have updated our engine. Lately, we've been working in the past couple of months to get this to a higher standard and level. So all you have to do is just place your product where you want to have it. Usually I want to make some space for the other things that I want inserted in my canvas. So I already have a prompt that goes like: a skincare set standing on a wellness countertop next to a vase of bamboo sticks, surrounded by steaming charcoal, rocks, and rolled towels. Spa environment, wellness vibes, cinematic scene, professional lighting setup, professional product photography settings, color correction, and vibrant photography. So with this in hand, let's just go ahead and generate our first image. It's going to take about 20 seconds to generate an image using the GPU engine that we initially created on our API platform. So in just a couple of seconds, I'll have a stunning product photography for this product. Look at that beautiful laid out. We got the rocks, we got the steaming, we got the bamboo sticks in a vase, and we also have the rolled towel. Not satisfied? Let's go ahead and generate another one. So as you can see, the product is perfectly placed. There's no duplicated product. We have been facing these issues before, but we managed to finally find the solutions. We've been working hard behind the scenes to get this to the level that it is right now. So if you're already a member of Creativio, go ahead and give it a try to the new engine. You can navigate to settings and change the engine to the latest beta 1. And you're going to get images like the ones I'm generating live right now in this video. And boom, there you go. Second one. I think this is actually just as better as the first one. You can remove things by using these settings over here. You can completely remove and change things over here. But what I'm going to do is actually place the prompt again and also add a couple more things. Let's say depth of field. Let's go ahead and generate another one. See what we get. Indeed, it did miss the charcoal, but the charcoal is in the back, but it did miss the towel. It didn't add the towel, which is fine. We got it on the second generation, and look at that, guys. This is actually stunning photography, product photography, without hiring expensive product photographers. What we can do is let's say we want the rolled towels to be orange, right? And also, let's say we want to have an orange color palette. All right, let's just go ahead and hit it again. As you can see, with the new engine and the new updates that we've been pushing to Creativio AI, right now we are hitting the spot. We don't get duplicated products in the shot. We are not deforming the products. They stick as they are. Also, we don't have like other skincare set laying around the products. Look at this. This is actually beautiful product setup. Okay, I think these are amazing. Let's go ahead and it missed the bamboo sticks, but it did add the orange towels though. Let's say rolled green towels, a wellness countertop next to a vase of bamboo sticks surrounded by steam charcoal rocks. Okay, let's just add a couple more things that I want. Professional deeming. Okay, I modified this prompt a little bit, and let's generate another one. Let's see what we get. We should get another decent one. Although all of these are looking stunning, I think I like the one with the orange towels the most. But the other ones are also really, really nice. I can go along with them any time of the day and add them to my e-com shop. Instead of having like this product on a white background, I think this is more attractive to people that are willing to buy skincare products, right? And there we go. Look at that. We got the green towels. We got the bamboo sticks. We got the charcoal. We got the countertop product sitting perfectly here. We got the steaming. And we can simply go on and generate as many variations as we want. And we can actually say over here, let's say where we have red towels. Actually, let's say purple. And then have this steaming. Yeah, it's actually missed. There we go. Let's see what we get right now. There we go. Let me just copy this. Have it on clipboard and see what we get. Actually not bad, not what I was looking for, but let's generate another one. But this is actually looking good as well. Product is too small compared to the towels though, so I don't like the aesthetics of this photo. So let's just generate another variations. There we go. Way better, way better. Look at that. That's actually looking very good. Very, very good. Let's generate another one. All right, beautiful. So yeah, this is the new capabilities of Creativio AI. Hope you guys are enjoying the update. If you have an account, go ahead and test it out. Let me know what you created with it. I'm just curious to see how people are going to use this. And if you don't have an account, make sure you sign up immediately, as we're going to be rolling out new features as we prepared for a major release of the product on March with some new updates. We're also going to include some video effects that you can add to these photos. So yeah, can't wait to share more with you in the future. This is Adrian from Creativio. Thank you so much for watching this video. I look forward in seeing you inside Creativio AI Studio.